Hi, this is Josh with Resort TV 1, and today I'm taking you on a 4K ultra wide angle ride on the Tomorrowland Transit Authority Peoplemover here at the Magic Kingdom. We hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember to leave us a like and a comment, as well as subscribe and hit that notification bell if you haven't already done so. Also, be sure to follow us on social media. We're Resort TV 1 on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. So let's get started. So I'm using ultra wide angle on my Samsung Galaxy S10 to give you the widest perspective we can get on a phone, and you can kind of see how wide my view is right now because I'm standing really close to the launching pad here. And let me show you what it looks like if I go to the regular view here. So that actually is my regular view, not zoomed at all. That's what I would see if I used my regular camera. See how close I am? So it really does give me a much better and much wider view when I go to wide angle. So that is how much more you're going to be able to see on this ride. Now, with the wide angle, it actually would show the gimbal if I had the gimbal on. So I'm going to do it handheld, but with stabilization on. So hopefully I'll get it nice and smooth for you. So again, leave that comment. Let me know what you think of this ultra wide angle.
Keeping your hands, arms, feet, legs inside your car. And please supervise your children. Stay clear of the doors, which will open and close automatically. Enjoy your trip. Please step carefully onto the moving platform, then step into the car. For your safety, remain seated throughout your journey, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside your car. And please supervise your children. Stay clear of the doors, which will open and close automatically. Enjoy your trip.
Welcome aboard the Tomorrowland Transit Authority Peoplemover. Your quiet and carefree highway in the sky. We invite you to sit back, relax, and enjoy your grand circle tour of Tomorrowland. Thank you for joining us for Tomorrowland. Along the way, you can preview many of the exciting places you want to be sure to enjoy today while visiting this land of tomorrow. The Peoplemover is the perfect vehicle for people watching, so keep your eyes peeled. You never know what you might see. And now, the Tomorrowland Transit Authority proudly presents Progress City, Walt Disney's dream for an experimental prototype community of tomorrow. Progress City was the inspiration for Epcot, and many of its forward-thinking ideas have been realized throughout Walt Disney World. If your future includes shopping, then you'll want to visit Star Traders, where you'll find the greatest goods from around the galaxy. At the Tomorrowland Speedway, put the pedal to the metal and speed towards the checkered flag in your very own race car. Young or old, this is your chance to drive in the fast lane without worrying about getting a speeding ticket. stop while you're here for an adventure that's out of this world. Space time. What's on the For a different high-flying adventure, hop on board the Astro Orbiter. Pilot your own spacecraft as you take a spin around the planet and ascend to otherworldly heights. We're now approaching Walt Disney's Carousel of Progress. Inside this rotating theater, full families welcome you into their homes of yesterday and today, starting way back at the turn of the 20th century. First presented at the New York World's Fair, this legendary circular theater celebrates the progress that has made our lives better. It's a perfect reminder that there's always a great, big, beautiful tomorrow shining at the end of every day. This time it's laughter thereafter at Monsters Incorporated, so drop in and join Mike Wazowski and all his pals at Monsters Incorporated Laugh Floor.
Yeah, very good. Keep it moving. We're on a tight schedule here.
As we approach the Tomorrowland Transit Authority station, our Grand Circle tour is coming to an end, but not to a stop, because this transportation system never stops. Thank you for joining us on the Tomorrowland Transit Authority Peoplemover. It's been a pleasure to have you aboard. Enjoy the rest of your day and have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Welcome aboard the Tomorrowland Transit Authority Peoplemover. You're flying carefree, highway of the sky.
Please keep your arms away from the doors and remain seated until the doors slide open automatically. Step onto the moving platform with caution and exit by stepping away from the car. Please keep your arms away from the doors and remain seated until the doors slide open automatically.
Well, that's all for now for this 4K ultra wide angle ride on the Peoplemover here at the Magic Kingdom during Christmas season. I'm sure you saw Christmas Space Mountain as well as the decorations on the Tomorrowland Speedway. So hope you enjoyed it. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought of this ultra wide angle here. And just to show you again one more time what it looks like if I go back to regular angle, this is the normal view that I would have. So you see how close it is. It zooms in very, very tightly to what I'm looking at on the normal angle, and then I go wide angle, and it is absolutely incredible. It shows so much more in the video. So again, leave that comment. Let me know what you think. And also, be sure to check out our sponsors, MickeyBlog.com and MickeyTravels.com for the best and free Disney vacation planning advice. Go check out MickeyTravels.com to book your next trip to Disney. Also, if you're thinking about moving to Central Florida, talk to Realtor Victor Naraki at CelebratingFlorida.com or Facebook.com/NarakiRealtor and tell them that Resort TV 1 sent you. And finally, if you'd like to save money on your TV bill, but still watch the same shows, go to CordCuttersNews.com. That's CordCuttersNews.com or YouTube.com/CordCuttersNews. So for now, have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye. Now that you've finished watching this video, be sure that you're subscribed so that you can get all of the latest updates. Also, check out some other great videos on our channel. Have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye.